Hey, so a lot of people have been asking me or have been telling me about problems that they've been having with bringing grades from Google Classroom into Schedule or whatever, and people have different solutions to this, like, setting up two computers or taking a picture of grades and then, deleting it after they've inputted the grades. But there's something that you can do in Windows 10 that I'm not sure everybody knows about, and it's kind of a useful trick. So here in Google Classroom, you can download all the grades for a particular assignment as an Excel file. So here what I'll do, and this is true in Windows 10, but also I think you could do it on Macs, but I don't have a Mac, so I'm not sure. So what you can do is I can go over here to my gradebook. I can click and grab this tab and drag it down and then kind of make it its own window. So you see how like the other tabs that I had are gone. Now if I click on this bar, I can start to drag it over to the corner, and then once you get it far enough into the corner, you'll get this light up blue kind of thing like that. And then you just let go and it'll snap it to exactly half the screen. Why is this useful? Well, now I can go back to my Excel spreadsheet. I'll close this a little bit so I minimize it. I'm going to do the same thing and drag it to the other side. And then once it turns blue, I'll let go. Now what I have are two windows that I can click on one and click on the other, and neither one will close. So now I can resize this window and make it smaller so my stuff will fit better. And now it's just a matter of taking the grades that are here and putting them over here. So this is sort of a quick and easy way of doing that. And then when you're done, you just close out the windows, reset your zoom back to 100, so you don't have to take pictures anymore or have multiple laptops out. Okay, I hope that helped.